Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a corner bed area in Heartopia. So we'll need 3 by 2, and then I used 1 low wall and 2 half walls on all of it. So it's going to look something like this. And then I'm just going to grab some floorings here, and I'm just going to place that down first, like so. Okay, next, what we're going to want to do is we are going to grab, instead of adding a floor, we're going to grab the storage, wooden wall storage here, and we're just going to place it all around. So I think we will need 8. And that's because we want the bed to kind of like sink a little bit. Can I put it on this wall or not? Oh my gosh, I swear whenever I'm not recording, it's faster than when I record. Like, I don't know why that is. Put it to the side instead. Like that. Oh my gosh, that is not it. Maybe if I zoom in closer, will help. There we go. Then we will also need to place, oh, we do need floorings here? Yeah, we do need floorings on this side, but let's just put this away first. So we will need 2 more here, like that. Okay, then we're going to get our bed here. I might change the colors of this, I might not if I'm not like that lazy today, because I feel like it doesn't match that well with the gray color. I think it needs to be a lighter wood tone. Okay, I think this matches it a little bit better. If it doesn't, I'm sorry, but let's continue the video. Then we are going to put a dresser. I don't really have like a nice one, and this doesn't really match. Yikes, I need like this grayish tone here. So I might just use this one, and hopefully I'll be able to kind of color it the same. Maybe like a grayish tone could actually work with that. Like this maybe. Whoops. Okay, I'll just put it there, it's fine. And then I'm also going to use the Oceanic cabinet, which is somewhere here. The island one. And I'm just going to color it white here with some gray accents. And we're also going to use the joinery cabinet. Place it here. And I'm just gonna leave it like that. Confirm. And then on this side, we are going to add more storage racks, but we're going to place a lamp first up here. It's going to be super bright. So watch your eyes. Okay, it's not as bright if I did it on like a white wall. But we're then going to use the wooden wall storage. Just trying to color that the same. And we're going to like place it on the side walls, almost touching the lamp there. We're gonna add 2 on each side, like that, and then 2 here as well. Well, 4, but 2 on each side. Like so. All right, then we are going to want to place the minimalist clothing rack here. Like so, and we're almost done. Okay, and then I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 joinery cabinets. They're right here if you want to find them. This one here, and then I also placed the oceanic corner storage. I placed only two. I forgot to record, but we are going to continue by adding an appliance here. We're going to add a fridge. Just take it as like a mini fridge. I don't know why I said that weirdly. And then we are going to place a table. I think, should I place this one? Or should I use the kitchen one? Okay, I'm going to use this one just because it looks like there's like a desk kind of. It looks like a desk. And then for the chair, I'm just going to use this one just because it matches. Obviously, if you have a better chair, use that. Just put it to the side here, and then I'm going to also add like a laptop. Okay, I'll just put it there, that's fine. And I'll move the laptop to the side. Can I not move it? Oh my gosh, what is wrong with me? And I forgot to add a window, so make sure you do that. And I added stairs and decorated a little bit. But anyways, that is pretty much it really for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!